Are you wondering how you can promote beard growth, condition your beard, soften your beard, and then also soothe your skin underneath your beard? Hi, my name is Stephanie Calderon. I'm a certified essential oil specialist. I've been sharing my natural recipes for 15 years. Stick around to the end. I have something fabulous to give to you. You probably are wondering right now, why in the world am I giving beard tips? It's because of this guy. This is my Uncle Vince. And he was one of the few men in my life that actually had a beard. So when I started to get into essential oils, I read about how good they are for beard growth. So I just made him some and he ended up really loving it. And so I just shared this recipe with others. So now it's time to share it with all of you. So first you're gonna want a glass bottle. This is like a dropper bottle so that you could just take it, drop it into your hands, rub it together, and then rub it gently into your beard. So you're gonna wanna carry your oil. You can use jojoba oil because it's super moisturizing. I don't have any of that today. Coconut oil is also very moisturizing and it's also gonna add shine to your beard. Then peppermint oil. This is really refreshing scent, but it also is going to stimulate hair growth. Then we have tea tree oil, sometimes called melaleuca oil. This is gonna soothe any skin irritations and it's also going to condition your beard as well. Cedarwood essential oil is gonna soothe your skin and it's also gonna add a really masculine scent to it. Lavender essential oil, I know you're thinking, that's not a very masculine scent, but lavender is super soothing for your skin and it's great for hair growth as well. So we're gonna include it in this recipe. You could also throw in other essential oils like rosemary. If hair growth is one of your biggest goals for your beard, rosemary is one of your top oils. Balance oil is also a favorite to add to this recipe because it's like all the guy woodsy smells squished into one bottle. So this is also really good. So your combination is you're gonna do about 10 drops of your peppermint essential oil and then 5 of any of the rest that you want to include in your combination. Then fill the rest up with your carrier oil. Then again, you're gonna take your dropper, put it in your hands, and just very gently pat it on your beard. Gonna add shine, gonna help with growth, so if you've got any patchy spots, also gonna soften and condition your beard. I would love to know your comments on this. Put them in the comments below. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can always stay up to date on all the recipes and tips that I'm sharing. As promised, I have an amazing free gift to you, an essential oil guide for moms. It has diffuser recipes, more beauty recipes, it has cleaning recipes, all in there in a beautiful ebook format, completely for free. Just click on the link in the comments and in the description to snag yours today. Have a fabulous day.